Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Life is Strange Reunion game stuck on loading screen or not loading around PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users click on Steam option and then click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon and then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Now after that, try to launch the game and then check. Next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and then try to play the game and see if you can play it. But if the issue still continues, again and again come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall, change the settings, and after that here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So if you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Wait for some time, and after that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, or other things, then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly, or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next solution is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will surely help to fix the problem. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once this is disabled, now try to launch the game and then check. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and here switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the image. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in game overlay options as shown in the image. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under background process tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You have to simply select it, right click on it, and click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. So search for device manager. Here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and then check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to click on it to open. You will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time, and after it is completed, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now go to the Windows update. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to latest version, and after that, try to launch the game and then check. If not, next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows Security. Now here you have to click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings. After that, here you have to turn off Real-Time Protection. After you have done this, again go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall. After that, turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings, and then click on OK, and after that try to launch the game and check. But later on again come back and select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application. After you select the game, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and finally launch the game and then check. If not, then the last method is to reinstall Life is Strange Reunion game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall Life is Strange Reunion game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.